Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have some clip-in extensions from Curlsqueen. This is everything that I got in my packaging, and it's everything you would need to care for your clip-ins. But the actual clip-ins, I got a light Yaki texture, so it's like that natural type of feel, but it's still like straight light. Looks amazing. You get 2 lengths of each size that you get, so you can definitely do your entire head with these clip-ins. I'm actually going to be doing 2 styles in this video because they are very, very versatile, and I just wanted to show you all how well they blended. But anyways, I really enjoyed these clip-ins. I always love Curlsqueen, their light Yaki texture. I feel like it matches perfectly with my hair, so definitely try them out. The links are in the description box below, of course. And if you have any questions, let me know as well. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one.
You, I won't please you any way I can. I won't share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me good feeling all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is